Today's victim? The Cherry MX Nixie. These switches have a unique cult following to them, as they are one of the few times that Cherry decided to use a milky top housing to them. And they claim to be better than MX Blacks, which is crazy. So, let's put them to the test, shall we? So, let's talk about the pros of the Cherry MX Nixies. It's 2025, guys. In this day and age, who wants to mod their switches? We need to put springs, we need to put films. Just buy get your own raw, man. So final verdict, is the Cherry MX Nixie a switch or a witch? In my opinion, I think it's a witch. Like, it's not even close. Fight me in the comments if you don't agree. I will 1v1 you and win again.